Hello everyone, today I will show you how to correct the original coordinate system of the DEF file. There are three different floor plans. This is the mezzanine floor, the first floor, and the second floor. So we had to import all of the structural plan into Tekla Structural Designer. But we have an issue because the coordinate system in Tekla Structural Designer not play the same as in the ZWCAD. I move the intersection of the grid line phi and A at the coordinate system 0, 0. You see here the global coordinate system Y and its direction. And for the first plane, top view, the same, we move the intersect of grid line phi and phi A, phi and grid line A to the global coordinate system 0, 0. For the second floor, the same. Now let's check in Tekla Structural Designer what is error and how we can fix it. Create the new project. Level, double click. I do not focus about the construction level, just use the default level structural path. Open grid line, import DS. Import the first floor plan, mezzanine floor. Open and tick all. Select the grid line. Now we want to import only the grid line and overlap each other from the mezzanine floor to the first floor and second floor. And what is different? Architectural, next, and finish. Again, import DF file. Select the first floor. Open and tick it all. Select the grid line. And you see here now the grid line, the mezzanine floor and all the first floor is different. When you import it not the same, the coordinate system here is 0. We assume it's 0, but when you import the new grid line, it's not overlap. So it is a big issue during import structural element into Tekla Structural Designer and import grid line. We need to fix the issue first before we continue to modeling other element in Tekla Structural Designer. Come back again. Next. And import the DF file. Check the second floor. You see here, it's different, it's not the same. Yeah. Now we have a big issue right now. Okay, let's fit it with me. The Tekla Structural Designer. Delete all grid line. We need a baseline and move the grid line to this baseline. Click on the construction line. Press F2. Type 0, tab, type 0, enter, click, enter, escape, your construction line again, press F2, type 0, tab, 0, enter, okay. Import DEF file. Start from the mezzanine floor and tick all. Import grid line. Use architectural. Yeah. Tick, select on architectural. Click on the intersection point of the grid line phi and grid line A. Move it to the original global system 0, 0. Next, finish. Okay, again, click import DEF file. Click on the first floor plan. Open and tick all. Architectural plan and import architectural grid. Click on the base point. Move it. Next, finish. It is how you can check and fix the error in Tekla Structural Designer. We import the architectural plan and structural element from floor to floor. I want to check it why it not overlap each other from one plan to other plan. When you import and the architectural and structural plan, it not overlap from the base to the first level. It is a very big issue. You cannot run unless in design. You will get error. We have to fix it before you continue to modeling. It is very important. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. We import floor plan by level to make sure everything is overlap each other. Okay, now Control Shift and DS, click on the mezzanine floor or pan and tick all. Use the import the OC beam, OC column, OC wall and opening shadow. Yeah, again click and move it. Finish. For the level 2, level 3, you can do the same. Use the reference line and import the architectural plan and structural plan. Move it to the original system 00. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Thank you.